Let me tell you something nobody told you in school. This decade isn't just about technology, it's about wealth transfer, and it's already begun. Not on TV, not in Parliament, not in HR meetings, but silently, in Google Docs, in Fiverr accounts, in midnight ChatGPT prompts. A quiet revolution is underway, a new kind of lottery. But this one doesn't require luck. It requires awareness. In every technological shift, there's a moment where a few people figure out how to use the new tools before the masses even realize what those tools can do. And those few, they become the new elite. The rest, they become the replaced. In 2024, a 22-year-old copywriter in the Philippines used AI tools to scale to $30,000 per month freelancing, while Western agencies laid off senior writers. A single mother in Detroit automated her Etsy store product descriptions using ChatGPT, saving 80% time and increasing her income 5 times. Meanwhile, IBM paused hiring for more than 7,000 roles, saying they would be replaced by AI. The playing field is no longer level. It is tilted in favor of those who adapt. You are either using AI to multiply your time, income, and reach, or you are being outpaced by someone who is. Despite all this, most people are still asking if AI will really take jobs. They think ChatGPT is a toy for students. They believe their 9-to-5 is safe because humans can't be replaced. But let me ask you, did Blockbuster believe Netflix was a threat? Did taxi drivers expect Uber to steal their customers overnight? Did Kodak think cameras in phones would kill their empire? Every wave is ignored until it drowns you. This isn't about someone else. This is your story. You can either ride this wave to freedom or get crushed by it. Because the AI lottery isn't a game. It's a wealth selection system. And the winners are already building with it. There's a line forming in the digital sand, not between rich and poor, not between developers and artists, but between two new classes, AI masters and AI slaves. An AI master doesn't just use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Claude. They engineer prompts, they stack skills, they automate workflows, they teach the AI to think like them, or better. And in doing so, they multiply their productivity 5 times. They replace teams with systems. They create income in their sleep. On the other side are AI slaves, people who use AI the way they used Microsoft Word, passively, mechanically, just enough to not get fired, just enough to look modern. They think using AI makes them safe, but it only delays their irrelevance. A virtual assistant in Argentina was replaced by a $20 per month Zapier Plus GPT-4 automation. A mid-level graphic designer in Singapore was laid off because the intern mastered Midjourney. Meanwhile, a teenager in Nigeria built a $10,000 per month ghostwriting agency powered by ChatGPT and Notion. Same tools, different results. The only difference? Who mastered it? Don't just play with AI. Partner with it. Choose one income skill: writing, coding, selling, or editing. Learn how to enhance it with AI, not replace it. Create a feedback loop. Improve your prompts, your process, and your performance. Then productize. Turn your AI-assisted output into products, not just services. The real game isn't in using AI. It's in delegating intelligently. Those who build systems with AI will soon own businesses that run without them. Now that you understand the divide between AI masters and slaves, it's time to focus on the winning side. Let's break down the 4 most valuable skill stacks that, when combined with AI, are building new wealth across the globe. Stack 1. Writing plus persuasion plus ChatGPT. Think ghostwriting, email marketing, script writing, product descriptions, and landing pages. Use ChatGPT to ideate, draft, and optimize at 5 times the speed. Then add human tone, persuasion psychology, and story structure. Example: people are building 6-figure businesses writing email copy for SaaS founders. One man in India made $120,000 per year, editing and enhancing AI-written newsletters for venture capital firms. Why it works. Writing powered by AI creates scalable persuasion. It turns time-intensive messaging into repeatable sales funnels. Stack 2. Coding plus automation plus GPT-4 API. Automate workflows. Build apps and tools in days. Use Replit, Make, Zapier, and Python with the GPT API. Example: a digital nomad in Lisbon built a startup automation tool in 14 days using GPT-4. He now earns $12,000 per month from indie founders. Why it works. AI turns code into a productivity multiplier. You solve expensive problems at micro cost. Stack 3. Design plus storytelling plus Midjourney or Runway. Use Midjourney to create visuals. Use Runway or Pika for AI-generated motion graphics. Add storytelling to deliver product videos, short films, and ads. Example: a Brazilian motion designer rippled their income offering one-day brand animations using Runway. Why it works. In a short attention world, compelling design is gold. AI lets you execute stunning creative work at scale. Stack 4. Research plus synthesis plus Claude or Perplexity. Extract insights from data, research papers, and complex PDFs. Turn them into presentations, executive briefs, and consulting memos. Example: freelancers on Upwork are earning over $75 per hour doing research synthesis for business clients, using Claude to summarize 100-page reports. Why it works. The world drowns in noise. Value comes from clarity. AI makes you the filter of signal from noise. Summary: when you combine a timeless skill with intelligent AI execution and wrap it in outcome-based delivery, you become unstoppable. What if your work stopped being about time and started being about systems? What if you could make money while you sleep, while you travel, or while you're taking care of your family? Welcome to the age of leverage, and AI is the ultimate lever. Most people still trade time for money. They go from task to task, client to client, shift to shift. But here's the truth. Your time is limited. Your output shouldn't be. Now compare that to someone who built a YouTube channel with AI voiceovers and stock footage, or a 100-page ebook written and sold through Gumroad using ChatGPT and Canva, or a digital course auto-sold through AI-written email funnels. These are income machines, powered once, refined over time, and monetized repeatedly. The new game: systems plus content plus automation. There are 3 pillars to passive cash flow in the AI age. Content machines. AI helps you produce 10 times faster, 10 times cheaper, 10 times more consistently. Productized knowledge. Your expertise bottled into templates, digital downloads, and mini courses that sell 24/7. Automation infrastructure. Tools like Zapier, Airtable, Stripe, and AI Logic to connect it all. Example: a writer uses GPT to draft newsletters. Zapier sends them to ConvertKit. Subscribers buy ebooks on Gumroad. The funnel runs while they sleep. Meet Zara, a former freelancer who hated chasing clients. She built an AI-assisted personal branding funnel. ChatGPT ideates content angles. Canva AI designs carousels. A LinkedIn scheduler posts daily. An email list grows. A free PDF download leads to a paid workshop. Last month, Zara made $10,000 with 0 Zoom calls. The more you automate, the more you elevate. So you've seen what AI can do. You understand the leverage. But here's the deeper question. How do you build an entire personal economy around it? In the last 3 years alone, tech layoffs wiped out more than 300,000 jobs. Freelance platforms got saturated. AI began replacing basic tasks. And yet, some people earned more than ever. How? They stopped relying on a single stream. They built a personal economy. It's not just income. It's income sources, income systems, income security, active plus passive streams, skills plus digital products, freelancing plus automation. You become your own country, small, resilient, profitable, and AI becomes your central bank, your factory, your media studio, and your R&D lab. Framework: the 4 pillars of an AI-powered personal economy. 1. Service income. Freelancing with AI-enhanced skills like copywriting, coding, or design. 2. Product income. Digital products like templates, playbooks, and courses, built once and sold forever. 3. Media income. Growing an audience on YouTube, Twitter, or LinkedIn, then monetizing through affiliates, sponsorships, or paid newsletters. 4. Asset income. Investing surplus into index funds, REITs, and crypto. Your money now earns money. Optionality is the freedom to say no. Anti-fragility is getting stronger when chaos hits. With a personal AI economy, if one stream slows, others hold you. If AI replaces one task, you pivot. If markets crash, you still have cash flow. You are no longer reacting, you are orchestrating. List your top 2 monetizable skills. Brainstorm 1 product per skill. Set up a landing page. Post 3 times per week with AI help. Reinvest your first $100 into better tools, ads, or courses. Small moves, daily consistency, 1 year of obsession. That's all it takes to build your personal economy. You've now seen the lies we were told about careers, the invisible chains holding back the middle class, and the power of AI as leverage. But this is just the beginning. In Part 2, we'll dive deeper into mental rewiring, dopamine wars, global income hacks, and the exact blueprint to build your personal AI-powered economy.